Oh, hi. Looking at some of your sketches drawn from actual objects, it appears to me that there are some among you who don't have an awful lot of experience with observational drawing. And I want to encourage you to analyze what is in front of you, what you actually see, because I believe that it's a combination of the perspective theory and observational drawing that's going to give you the best results. So undoubtedly, you've seen the cartoon character of an artist in a black beret holding his thumb out in front of him as he regards the subject. What is he doing? He's sighting. It's an approximation of this idea called sighting, where you hold a pencil, for example, out on an imaginary plane parallel to your face, and you squint, and that helps you to judge angles and also proportions, but here we're going to take a close look at angles. So in this first image, what I've done is to put a pencil horizontally so that the bottommost corner of the cube just brushes the top of it. It's just contingent with it. And if I look at the bottom right edge of the cube, I can analyze its diagonal. And maybe the easiest way to do that is to imagine that the red line representing the bottom right edge of the cube is an hour hand on a clock. If it's an hour hand on a clock, what time is it? Somewhere between 1 and 2. Now we can also use the same method for analyzing the bottom edge of the cast shadow, right? So if that point where the red line touches the yellow pencil is the center of a clock face, well, and the red line itself is an hour hand, that red line that goes along the bottom edge of the cast shadow must be a little before 3 o'clock. Do you see what I'm saying? So here, another example where the pencil is held vertically, again, on that imaginary plane parallel to your face, something like a window between you and your subject. So with your pencil, you hold it perfectly straight, vertical. This can help you analyze diagonals that are very nearly horizontal. Notice here that the red diagonal is high on the left side and low on the right side, and it is very close horizontal. Another thing I'm looking at with this pencil here, it's sort of bringing my focus to the outer edge of the cast shadow, and it's helping me to witness how that edge is exceedingly soft and barely defined in relation to, for instance, the near edge, the bottom edge of the cast shadow, which is in sharper focus.